I'm Matt with PSI, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your brake switch from your vehicle to your standalone harness. And first I'm going to cover the fact that there is a couple different kinds of brake switches, and depending on your swap you might need a different switch for your application. Now if you're doing a early Gen 2 LT style motor or a Gen 3 LS motor, you're going to want to make sure you have a 2-position brake switch like our KIT-1002 TCC Brake Switch kit. And if you're doing a Gen 4 or Gen 5 harness, you need just a single regular brake switch that most vehicles will have. So to connect this brake switch to a Gen 2 or Gen 3 harness, you're going to connect your normal brake switch wiring to the front position, and then the second position, you're going to have these 2 pigtails that we give to you. One is going to be a red wire that needs a switch 12-volt source. So anytime your key is on, you want 12 volts on that wire. And the purple wire is going to be the signal wire to connect to the under dash bundle of wires, just like in this diagram. Now, if you have a drive-by-wire Gen 3 setup, it's going to be exactly the same with the addition of 1 extra wire. It's going to be a yellow wire, again in the under dash bundle of wiring, and it's going to get tapped into the signal wire of the front position. So all you're going to have to do is just tap that into the signal wire. Now on the Gen 4s, when you can use the regular brake switch with a single position, is going to, again, the wires are going to be found in the under dash bundle, and it's going to be either 1 on some of the newer harnesses or 2 purple wires that both get tapped into the same signal wire, just like you did on the Gen 3 setup, just that it's on a single position now, like in this diagram. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video helped you get it wired up and fired up. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, drop a comment with any questions about this video or any ideas that you want to see us cover in the future. And remember, you can always speak to a live team member at 732-276-8589 or at any one of the email addresses below. We'll see you guys in the next video.